Hey guys, welcome again to Brain on Fire, where we will be discussing the 2023 annular eclipse as it will appear over Winnemucca, Nevada. We will be covering also traffic and cloud cover estimates, so make sure you stay tuned until the end. And with that, let's begin. Here we have the western US, and we have the path of annularity for the 2023 eclipse, the shaded area. This is the path where the full annular eclipse will be experienced. When we zoom in, we see the awesome city of Winnemucca. And for all the information, I'll be showing you soon. It applies to all cities near Winnemucca as well. So the partial eclipse will begin at around 8:06 a.m. PDT. At this point, the sun will start to be eclipsed by the moon starting from the upper left corner of the sun as viewed by an observer on Earth. The full annular eclipse will begin at around 9:20 a.m. PDT. At around 9:22 a.m. PDT, the annular eclipse will be at its peak intensity. But just remember, by definition, in an annular eclipse, the moon will not completely cover the sun. Therefore, you should always wear eclipse eyewear so as to protect your vision. You can get Eclipse eyewear eclipse merch and all your eclipse needs at 2024eclipse.com or 2023eclipse.com. And finally, the annular eclipse will end at around 9:25 a.m. PDT. And the moon will start to move to the bottom right corner of the sun, resulting in a partial eclipse as the moon moves away from the sun. And by about 10:47 a.m. PDT, the partial eclipse will completely end. Alright, so now let's briefly talk about the expected traffic patterns. The map shows the typical traffic pattern for the two major roads through Winnemucca. During the typical October 14th, you should probably be aware of incoming traffic from the Interstate 80 South. Also be aware of traffic from the north on Route 95. Now let's talk about cloud cover estimates. Here we have a basic list of the average 20-year cloud cover estimates for Winnemucca, Nevada. And no, it's not your imagination. Winnemucca typically has very little cloud cover for this time of year. Just for comparison, let's take a look at graphical representations of other cities. Here we see Winnemucca and Farmington, New Mexico, a little farther south, have about the same level of cloud cover. And we can see that Albuquerque and Roswell, New Mexico, have a little more cover overall. And as a final sanity check, let's look at the cloud cover map. Observe that the blue spaces on the graph mean less cloud cover, and the greener and red spaces mean more cloud cover. And indeed, Winnemucca falls clearly in the blue areas. Also, if you want Eclipse glasses, gear, or merch, feel free to visit 2024 Eclipse and 2023eclipse.com for all your Eclipse needs. This has been Brain on Fire. Thanks for watching.